Hey there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through to customize the header and footer on your Kajabi website. If you want your site look clean, professional, and aligned with your brand, stick with me. I will make it super easy. Let's jump right in. Go ahead and log into your Kajabi dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click website and then design. You will see the current theme there. Just click customize to open the new editor. All right, let's start at the top of the website, the header. On the left panel, click on the header. On the header, you can see we have several options. If your other website supports shopping cart, you can enable it by making this checkbox enable. Currently, our website does not have the shopping cart available. That's why the cart is not shown. When you have, it will show. Also, you have some customization option that is available here. So you can see we have header text color. This is the text color that will show on these social icons, menu, and any other text. And this is the hover color. When I hover over the menu item, this color will change. And then we have the background color of this header. If I want to change this, just change this, and you can see the header color is changed. I'm going back to the original color too. Now, we have some other option for the sticky header. If you want to make your product sticky while scrolling to the other part of the website, like this one, let me, let me show you on the live preview. Okay, you can see the header is sticky. To make it this header sticky, you need to make sure you check this sticky header. And also we have some different color options for the sticky header. If you want to change the sticky menu color, hover color, and background color different than the original color, you can do this here. And below that, we have some blocks. This is the block that actually show here on the header. So first of all, we have logo. I always suggest use transparent PNG images for the logo. And you can also change the width of the logo. And you have the name that you can add to the logo. And this is the color. If you don't want to show the logo and just want to show a text, then you can change the type. When you select the type, you can see we can actually change the text something like this. You can see, so this is how things actually work. So I'm going to back to the event. Also, we have some alignment items here. You can see the logo go on center and then left. Now, there is other option that is the menu. And when I click this one, you can see we have some alignment options and we have the options to select a menu. So if I go there and just select the menu, then you can see this is the menu that is showing here. And after that, we have another block that is social icon. And you can add the social icons. There are fixed social icon options that is available with this block. And then you have some options that you can play around with this social icons. We are not limited to this only three elements for the header. If you click on this add block button, you will see we have some other options. You can add a call to action button, a drop down menu, and a user menu. When we use user menu, you can see we have login, logout, library, and settings options available here. So this is how these things actually works. Now let's back to the footer. You can scroll down all the way back, or you can just click on this footer on the sidebar. When I click on this, you can see We have several blocks available for this footer. Currently, on our footer, we have two columns. This is the left column and this is the right column. And on each column, we have several text blocks available. On this is the image. And after that, we have some text block that is acting as a footer menu. And then we have some other text block where we added some information of the template. Okay. And under that, we have some default Kajabi sections settings that is available. For example, background, border, mobile layout, and desktop layout, and time level, and then custom CSS option. This type of settings are available in all sections of the website. When we do all the settings, just click on this responsive button, especially for the mobile button, to review that everything on the header is working very well. When you confirm that all of your edits are good, then click on the save button and that's it. You have just customized your header and footer in Kajabi. Super simple, right?